What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this Mercedes A35 AMG in for the Ultimate Protection Package. Xpel Ultimate Fusion, full car PPF. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get on with the video. Right then, so first up we need to give this A35 a thorough clean outside the studio just to make sure there are no contaminants on the paintwork when we pull it inside the PPF bay. Right then, so when we are getting a car ready for PPF, we need to be extra thorough when cleaning it. This is why you'll see us go around all of the edges with a brush and our citrus all-purpose cleaner, just to make sure that when we are applying the film, there's nothing going to seep out the edges and contaminate the film. Make sure if you do need any detailing products, head over to nldcc.co.uk now. This is our car care range that has been specifically designed to work on all types of cars. Right there, so that's this Mercedes A35 now decontaminated outside the studio. As you can see, it's looking nice and clean underneath the lights. So next up, let's go ahead and start applying the PPF. If you didn't know, Xpel is the largest and most recognised paint protection film company in the world. We use their brilliant DAP software, which gives us access to their vast array of patterns for pretty much every car on the road. With our full car protection package, all of the exterior painted surfaces will be protected with Xpel's latest film, Ultimate Fusion, and then the wheels, calipers and glass will all be ceramic coated. Xpel's Ultimate Fusion is their latest range of film, which offers all of the previous benefits like self-healing and scratch resistance, plus now it comes pre-ceramic coated, giving you those lovely hydrophobic properties. As you can see, it is a long process to protect the full car, but it is the only real way to avoid picking up any scratches or stone chips on your pride and joy. With the majority of the car now protected, this customer also opted to go for Xpel's gloss black paint protection film on the roof rather than wrapping it in vinyl. The main benefit of this is that the finish is a lot better than vinyl and it still offers you the same level of protection as the Ultimate Fusion film. With the PPF now applied to the roof, that's all of the film now applied. Let's get the wheels off the car and apply ceramic pro wheel and caliper to the barrels and faces of the alloys. That's the wheels and glass now protected with Ceramic Pro coatings. Let's get the wheels back on the car, and then that's our full car protection package complete. As you can see, this A35 AMG is looking incredible, and thanks to the paint protection film, it will stay looking this way for many years to come. As mentioned, PPF is the only real way to avoid picking up any stone chips or scratches on your car, and it also makes those maintenance washes a hell of a lot easier. If you are interested in any of our services, whether that be valeting, ceramic coatings or PPF, get in touch now and we can talk you through the options available for your car. If you have enjoyed this video, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel and let us know what you would like to see in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.